Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone dealing with mortgages or real estate. How to avoid escrow shortages, especially with the updates coming in 2025. If you're a homeowner, you know that escrow accounts hold funds for things like taxes and insurance, but shortages can sneak up and cause headaches. Let's break this down step by step so you can stay ahead. First off, what's an escrow shortage? Simply put, it's when your escrow account doesn't have enough money to cover the bills, often due to rising property taxes or insurance premiums. With 2025 bringing potential changes in tax laws and inflation adjustments, it's more important than ever to be proactive. So, how do you avoid this? Tip number 1. Review your annual escrow statement carefully. This document from your lender shows exactly how much is being collected and spent. Make it a habit to go over it as soon as it arrives, and flag any discrepancies early. Tip 2. Budget for increases. Property taxes and insurance rates can go up, so factor in a buffer of 10 to 20% when planning your payments. For 2025, keep an eye on new regulations that might affect these costs. Check resources from your local government or lender for updates. Next, communicate with your lender. If you anticipate changes, like a home improvement that might raise your property taxes, reach out ahead of time. They can adjust your monthly payments to prevent shortages. Another key step is to maintain your home to keep insurance premiums stable. Regular upkeep can prevent claims that drive up costs, helping your escrow stay balanced. Finally, consider refinancing if interest rates drop or your financial situation improves. It could lower your overall payments and reduce escrow risks. By following these strategies, you'll keep your finances smooth and stress-free. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.